Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So yesterday Samsung rolled out One UI 8.5 stable updates to many Galaxy phones including the Galaxy S23 series, A36, A56 and more. But after installing the update, I noticed that some new AI features were still missing which were given to S24 series but not for the Galaxy S23 series, including Samsung new Creative Studio feature. Now finally I managed to install new Creative Studio on my Galaxy S23 FE running One UI 8.5 stable, which means you can also install this on your Samsung phone if you have One UI 8.5. I don't know about One UI 8, I don't think it will run, but you can test. Now before I show you how to install it, let me quickly explain what exactly Creative Studio is. Basically this is Samsung new AI image creation and editing feature added with One UI 8.5. Inside this app, you can create stickers using prompts, AI images in different styles like anime, sketches, cartoon, watercolor, and lots more. You can also use AI to edit image using text prompt like changing background, adding object, changing color, and lots more. So yes, this new Creative Studio feature on Samsung is amazing. But yes, Samsung did not give us officially on S23 series. Then that means obviously we have to install in different way, right? Now let me show you how you can install it. But before that, I want to thank my subscriber, Saad Alami. I think I pronounced it well. He suggested me about this. So yeah, huge shout out to my subscriber. You have to install this APK. I downloaded this APK from APK Mirror, which is the most trusted websites for APK, I guess. So after downloading, obviously tap on install and now click on update. Obviously it might show you like this, and what you have to do is obviously you have to go to settings and security and privacy and turn off that what we call auto blocker, sorry. You have to turn this off. Now again go to here. Now you can install it. Now as you can see, the installation is completely done. It did not show us any error on my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE running One UI 8.5, and obviously it will show you like this, etc, etc. Now you can see it's opening fine, and obviously I can create images, etc. I have already tried creating images with AI prompt and it really worked. Also, I'm pretty sure if it's working on S23 FE, then it will definitely work on all S23 series. Maybe it will work on A36 and A56 also, but obviously I can't say about One UI 8. And one more important thing guys, you have to install the correct version. If you try to install the random version, it will not work. You have to install the correct version, which I will give you in the description. Just go to my Telegram and you can download it and install it. And if you have any questions, just comment below. And obviously if I find any other apps that call screening or audio eraser trick to work on unsupported phones like S23 series, I will definitely make a video and inform you guys. But right now we can only install the Creative Studio. Can't say about the audio eraser or what we call that call screening and photo assist 2.0. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye, take care.